She wasn't before I turned that damn thing on. This thing is going to be soaked in gasoline. I can't tell if she's coming out of this. Here we go.
Well, what if you just took that key completely out of it?
That's all I have to do.
And yeah, and then put that hose right to there. Plug him and run. The hose.
Back out with everything.
So just press. You want if the angle apart, or you want to do it? Or...
I got a nut.
Just had a bolt to stick down.
I have one. I have one. And then I'll clamp the bolt.
Yeah. Seeing what you up to?
You circling me?
Yep.
That buzzer.
You know, usually we're more polite about it.
Just waiting for you to stop in the middle of the road.
Yeah. Actually, with the way things have been going, the carb's going to leak because that's what it does. It fills up.
Okay.
That seal it.
Yeah, it ain't dripping. Do you want to zip tie that to something so it ain't banging on the bottom of your tank or something?
Here you go. Yeah, the screws may have to go all the way in, but because it'll come through the threads. No, you're all right. She ain't gonna.
Oh, yeah, little crank. All right.
All right, now the scary part is that if that does drip, it's dripping right on the make.
Yeah, that's what we just. It was
Yeah.
a little bit ago.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
that's how you get fires.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what caused the immediate halt.
Well, this one shouldn't go. You got room on the trailer, huh?
At this moment,
But y'all are gonna be.
it's space that may be taken.
Let's see. I just moved the carburetor all over the place. We pulled this off of. That can't leak because the pet cover's off.
You got an extinguisher handy just in case?
I do.
Great, get it out.
No. I had a V7 Sport Moto Guzzi catch on fire.